Okay, hi sixth graders. It's Tuesday, April 14th, and we are getting ready to do a new lesson. I hope you were able to find the lessons from last week. I hope you had a nice weekend, and I hope that you had a very nice Easter. All right, so Miss Allen would have taught you about prefixes on the, let's see, page 14, I believe. Yes, 14. So we're going to apply those skills here. If you need to look back at 14 to see what these mean, you may do that. Okay, I'm going to read number 1. Watch how I extend the dough with my hands, said the chef. Well, the prefix x means out, and the root tend means stretch. What does the word extend mean in the sentence? So it looks like you could say, take those words that say stretch out. So you thinking about that, let's pick which one goes with that. A, pull it in different directions. B, form it into small balls. C, loosen it with water. D, cut it into small pieces. I'll let you think about that a minute. Stretch out. Which one would you choose? All right, I hope you chose A because A is the correct answer there. All right, let's go on to number 2. All right, number 2 says, next, I add the equivalent of a teaspoon of spice, explained the chef. The prefix equi means equal, and the root valet means worth. What does the word equivalent mean in the sentence? Well, equal worth sounds to me like it means that it would be the same or equal. So let's look at our choices. A, half portion. B, cost. C, same measure. D, double the amount. All right, I'll give you a minute to put down what you think it is. Equal worth. All right, I hope you picked C, same measure. All right, good. All right, let's go on up to number 3 now. The root odd means here, and the suffix able means able. What does the word audible mean in the sentence? Well, if you put these together, it means able to hear. Okay, so let's see what our choices are. A, necessary. B, too complicated. C, realistic. D, loud enough. Okay, I'll let you mark those of which one you think it is. All right, number 4. Inez told the chef she was grateful for the cooking lesson. The root grat means pleasing, and the suffix full means having or giving. So what does the word grateful mean in the sentence? So when you look at this one, you can look at those words pleasing and or having or giving pleasing. So they're obviously happy about it. Let's take a look at this. A, eager. B, thankful. C, greatly impatient. D, responsible. All right, I'll let you determine what grateful means. Having, pleasing, or giving pleasing praise, maybe? Okay. All right, I hope that helps you. And that's it for that page. And now let's move on to 40. Let's see, what do we have? 46. All right, on page 46, we're going to practice what you learned about using a thesaurus, the lesson that Miss Allen taught you today. So thesauruses are a list of synonyms and antonyms. All right, so let's look at the first one, significant. It's an adjective expressing a meeting. Dad gave Lee and Arlo a significant glance when they started to argue. Okay, so significant glance there means that they're describing the glance or the look that Dad gave them. So the meaning of that is, or a synonym for that is meaningful or informative. He's letting them know how he feels by his look. And then an antonym of significant is meaningless. Having influence. Though the government, Thu has a significant job with the government, or an important, so an antonym of that would be insignificant or unimportant. So as the foodness, so significant there, it looks to me like it's saying that chocolate was very important to them. So un means not important, in means not significant, meaningless means no, doesn't have meaning to them. So A would be the answer there, meaningful. All right, let's look at number 2. All right, permit or permit. Permit is the verb to allow to do something. I'll permit you to pick plums. So synonyms of that would be allow or authorize. Antonyms would be forbid or prohibit. To be favorable, we'll have a picnic if the weather permits. And accommodate or oblige are synonyms. And as a noun, a permit is a written permission. The contractor got a permit to build a home, or a license or permission. So the Aztecs, however, would permit only certain people to drink it, which is an antonym for permit as it is used above. Okay, so an antonym of permit. So permit means to allow, and the opposite of allow would be, let's look, license, allow, forbid, or oblige. Well, the opposite of to permit would be to forbid. They forbid people to drink whatever they're talking about here. Okay. All right, and let's look at 3. Powerful. Powerful is an adjective, so it's describing something. Physically strong, the oxen are powerful. Strong, mighty are the synonyms. Antonyms for powerful is weak and frail. Okay, another meaning for powerful is able to influence. Leaders are powerful people, high-ranking or influential. An antonym for that is low-ranking. So look at number 3. Only the powerful members of Aztec society drank the sacred beverage. Which is a synonym for powerful? It is used above. So powerful there would be like a leader. So that would be high-ranking, because this says powerless, without power, weak and frail. So a synonym for powerful is high-ranking. All right, and I should have let you do that one. I'm going to let you do 4 on your own. Valuable, having monetary worth. Gold is valuable. Precious is considered a precious metal. Antonym is cheap. Another meaning for valuable is having use or importance. A job teaches you valuable skills. So synonyms there are useful or worthwhile, and an antonym is worthless. So let's look at number 4. Cocoa beans were so valuable that the Aztecs used the beans as money. Which is the antonym for valuable there? So let's look up here, having monetary worth. A synonym is precious, antonym is cheap. So the opposite of value, and I just gave you the answer while I was explaining it to you. So the antonym for valuable is cheap. All right, that's your lesson today for language arts. I will talk with you tomorrow. Bye.